Hello everyone, welcome to this video guide. I will share with you how you can change your currency in Tuifly. Go to Google, search for Tuifly. This is the for fly. Click the first website here. You will see this page. From this page, friends, you can change your currency without any problem. From the top right corner, you will see this icon. Click this one and then choose your currency or choose your country from here. For example, choose Belgian French and then click confirm. So this is for French. For the currency, all you have to do, select this one, for example, see all prices, click on the see all prices, and then scroll down, click this one, choose your country language, choose this one, and then click apply. When you choose a country, you will see your currency was changed successfully. So from the here, you have euro and you have ID. So this is for currency Moroccan. This is dirham. Choose the dirham, and then you will change successfully, as you can see here, without any problem. Just click this one and select here. This for currency, friends. So this is how you can do to change your currency, and then you can complete your details. The currency was changed successfully, as you can see here. This is about currency was changed here. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this.